Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did a thing. If you follow me on social media, you would know that I got a dog. Hence the pad that has Dookie on it, but at least she pees and poops on it. I wanted to do a video and I got her and stuff, and it was honestly so last minute. I didn't have my camera. I had my phone was about to die, and we were doing other stuff that day, so it was kind of hard for me to vlog, but I did get some clips, so I'm gonna insert those in a minute. She's actually sleeping. This is her. Her name's Oreo. So when we first got her, she was honestly so tiny, and you'll see clips. And maybe she's still tiny, but to me, she's looking like she's grown a lot. I've only had her for maybe a week or two. And I just wanted to make a little short video showing you guys that I got her. Yeah, I love her so much. I hope you guys enjoy this little video of meeting Oreo. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!